Good morning, my lovely children. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to continue the chapter number 4 of your language book, and the topic is singular plural. In the previous part, I explained you the difference between singular number and plural number. Today I am going to teach you some rules of forming plurals. So children, there are various rules to change singular nouns to plural nouns. So today we will learn some of these rules. So children, now look at the rule number 1. Most of the nouns change from singular to plural by adding s to the singular. So we form plural nouns by adding the letter s to the end of the singular naming word. For example, pen. How will you change this singular naming word into plural naming word? By adding s to the singular noun, that is pen, by adding s to pen, and it becomes pens. Like this, one car becomes two cars, one apple becomes two apples, one book becomes two books, one cat becomes two cats, one flower becomes two flowers. So we form plurals by adding the letter s to the end of the noun. So children, look at the rule number 2. Nouns that end in a hissing sound, ch, ss, sh or x, form their plural adding es to the singular. So children, nouns that end in ch, ss, sh or x, we add the letter es to the end of the noun. For example, class. How will you change this singular naming word into plural form? By adding es after ss. So this class becomes classes. Box becomes boxes. Brush becomes brushes. Watch becomes watches. Ass becomes asses. Bus becomes buses. So children, by adding es to the end of the singular naming word, we can change singular noun into plural noun. Look at rule number 3. Nouns that end in y form their plural by changing y into ies. So nouns that end with the consonant y, we remove y and add ies. So children, do you know what are consonants and vowels? We have already studied it. So there are 26 letters in the alphabet. So the letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels. All the letters other than vowels are called consonants. So children, look at the first example, army. So in this singular naming word, we remove y and add ies at the place of y, and so army becomes armies. Like this, baby becomes babies, story becomes stories, lady becomes ladies, city becomes cities, body becomes bodies. So children, now come to rule number 4. Nouns that end in y and a vowel is used before y form their plural by adding s to the singular. So children, nouns that end with the consonant y and a vowel is used before y, we add s to the end of the singular noun. For example, boy. In this word, can you find out the vowel? Yes, O is a vowel before the consonant y. So we add s after y. And so boy becomes, one boy becomes two boys. Like this, one toy becomes two toys. One valley becomes two valleys. One way becomes two ways. One ray becomes two rays. One key becomes two keys. One donkey becomes two donkeys. We form plurals by adding the letter S after the consonant Y. Now children, come to rule number 5. Nouns that end in O form their plural by adding ES. So, nouns that end with a vowel O, we add ES to the end of the singular nouns. For example, hero, in this singular naming word, can you find out vowel? Yes, O is a vowel. So, we add ES after O. Now, hero becomes heroes like this. Mango becomes mangoes by adding ES after the vowel O. And tomato becomes tomatoes. Potato becomes potatoes. So children, by adding the letter ES to the end of the noun, we form plurals. So children, now look at rule number 6. Nouns that end in F or FE generally make their plural by changing F or FE to VES. So nouns that end in F or FE, we remove the F or FE part and add VES. Now look at the examples. Life, so here we remove FE part and add VES. So life becomes lives. Like this, leaf becomes leaves. Wife becomes wives. Thief becomes thieves. Children, always remember, we do not follow this rule in these two singular naming words, room and dog. We just add S after F, not VES. Now come to rule number 7. In some nouns, vowels change to form their plural. So, these are some singular naming words in which you have to change the vowels to form their plural. Now look at the first example. Man. In this word, can you find out the vowel A? So, we change it into E and it will become men. One man, two men. One foot, 2 feet. One tooth, 2 teeth. One woman, 2 women. So, in all these singular naming words, only you have to change the vowels. So, children, some nouns change to form their plural. So, you have to learn this rule. For example, louse, lice, 1 louse, 2 lice, 1 ox, 2 oxen, 1 child, 2 children, 1 mouse, 2 mice. So children, always remember, deer, sheep, hare are the nouns that do not change in plural form. There is no change between a singular and plural form. So children, I hope you have understood all these rules of forming plurals. Thank you.